Welcome to the best picks. The Best Jordan Cleaner is probably one of the most sought-after products for sneakerheads and Jordan lovers, ensuring your prized kicks stay fresh and clean. Maintaining the pristine condition of your Jordans not only enhances their aesthetic appeal but also protects your investment, extending their lifespan and preserving their value. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the ultimate shoe cleaner for your Jordans, helping you make an informed decision based on factors such as cleaning agent type, ease of use, and overall effectiveness. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Say hello to the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit, your new secret weapon for sparkling clean shoes. It's designed to tackle dirt and grime on various materials, leaving your footwear looking its best. Cleaning your shoes has never been easier. This kit includes everything you need for a thorough clean, from the cleaning solution to a convenient brush. It doesn't matter if they're leather, suede, nubuck, or fabric. This cleaner is tough on dirt but gentle on your shoe's delicate materials. It's versatile enough to handle any type of shoe you own. The kit features a specially designed bottle for easy application and a durable brush for scrubbing away stubborn stains. Together, they make quick work of even the toughest dirt. With Pink Miracle, you can keep your shoes looking their best. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. It's a complete kit with a pink cleaning solution, perfect for various materials. If you need a versatile cleaner for different shoe types and appreciate a convenient kit, this is a great option. Its gentle formula is ideal for delicate materials, making it perfect for those who value a careful cleaning process. What people say. It's not an immediate clean. You do have to wash the area with a good amount of strokes to clear the spot, but it will clean all materials without damaging the materials and leave your shoe the original color intended. I cleaned leather, rubber and canvas. The brush in this kit is a star. With water and no soap this brush was able to get some dirt off and it just feels good. Effective cleaning, the Pink Miracle formula is impressive. It works well on a range of stains and marks, leaving shoes looking fresh and vibrant. Even older, stubborn stains seem to lift with a bit of elbow grease and the right technique. Gentle on fabrics, unlike some cleaners that can be harsh or cause discoloration, this product is gentle. It's safe for most fabrics, which is a big plus if you have delicate or high-maintenance shoes. User-friendly brush, the included brush is a standout feature. It's well designed with soft bristles that are effective at scrubbing without damaging the fabric. It's also comfortable to handle, making the cleaning process smoother. Number 4. MGK Essential Kit. This kit is your essential solution for keeping your shoes looking their best. It's easy to use and perfect for all types of footwear. The deep cleaning solution effectively removes dirt and grime. It's gentle enough for even the most delicate materials. The durable brush is designed to reach every crevice and provide a thorough clean. It's built to last, so you can use it time and time again. It's safe to use on leather, suede, nubuck, cotton, and knits. You can confidently clean a wide variety of shoes. Whether you have sneakers, boots, or dress shoes, this kit will keep them looking fresh and clean. It's the perfect addition to any shoe care routine. With 4 ounces of cleaning solution, you'll have plenty to keep your shoes looking great. It's a cost-effective way to maintain your footwear. What we like. This kit boasts a deep cleaning solution and a durable brush. If you're looking for a powerful clean that's also gentle on leather, this is the one. Its effectiveness on various materials makes it a versatile choice for sneakerheads who demand thorough cleaning. What people say. The brush is great quality and has remained intact for an insanely long time. The cleaner itself lathers really nicely, and a little goes a long way. What truly sets MGK apart from the crowd is its remarkable effectiveness. Even the oldest pairs in my collection, which had started to show signs of wear and grime, came out looking fresh and vibrant after a round of cleaning with MGK. This cleaner gently but powerfully lifts away dirt and stains, restoring the original allure of my sneakers. This product restored them back to new, simple to get it foamy and then just scrub until it's clean. Should last a long time. Number 3. MGK Starter Shoe Cleaner Kit. This kit is your new best friend for keeping your shoes looking their best. It's got everything you need to clean and condition all types of shoes. The included brush is specially designed to get into all the nooks and crannies, removing dirt and grime effectively. It's gentle enough for delicate materials, yet tough enough for stubborn stains. Our powerful cleaner tackles even the toughest dirt and scuffs. It's formulated to be safe for a wide variety of shoe materials. This conditioner nourishes and protects your shoes, keeping the leather supple and extending their lifespan. It helps maintain that fresh out-of-the-box look. The kit is simple to use, making shoe care a breeze. Just follow the easy instructions for sparkling clean shoes every time. It doesn't matter if they're leather, suede, canvas, or synthetic, this kit can handle them all. Keep all your footwear looking its best. What we like. It's a cleaner and conditioner combo with a premium brush, suitable for all shoe types. If you value a premium cleaning experience and want to maintain your shoes' condition, this kit is for you. Its versatility and focus on both cleaning and conditioning make it a great all-around choice. What people say. MGK Shoe Cleaner makes cleaning sneakers a walk in the park. The kit has all the goodies you need, including a fancy brush and cleaning solution. That brush does its job without being too harsh, and the solution? Well, it's like a superhero for getting rid of all kinds of sneaker messes. One thing that's super cool about MGK Shoe Cleaner is that it's like a universal soldier for your kicks. It's like the LeBron James of shoe cleaners, it works on everything from canvas to leather and suede. Even though MGK Shoe Cleaner is a sneaker savior, it's gentle on your kicks. It won't mess up the colors or materials. My sneakers come out looking fresh as a daisy after a cleaning session, no funny business. Number 2. Shoe MGK Complete Kit. Give your shoes a new lease on life with our complete cleaning kit. It's got everything you need to restore their original shine and freshness. This kit effectively cleans and removes dirt, grime, and stains from various shoe materials. Say goodbye to scuffs and marks. It doesn't just clean, it protects. This kit shields your shoes from water and stains, keeping them looking their best for longer. Eliminate unpleasant odors and keep your shoes smelling fresh and clean. It leaves your shoes feeling and smelling great. Whether you have sneakers, leather shoes, or dress shoes, this kit is versatile enough to handle them all. It's the ultimate shoe care solution. This all-in-one kit provides complete care for your footwear. It's simple to use and delivers professional-looking results. What we like. This complete kit offers cleaning, protection, and deodorizing. If you want to revitalize, shield, and freshen your shoes, this is your best bet. The added protection and deodorizing features make it perfect for those who want to extend the life and enhance the freshness of their footwear. What people say. I clean 8 pairs of shoes in one sitting. 3 pairs of men's size 14. And 5 pairs of kids size 5.5. All had various materials they were made out of, but all came out considerably cleaner than before. I was concerned that after 8 pairs of shoes, I wouldn't have much cleaner left in a bottle, but it only took about 1/4 of the bottle. The brush that came with it is nice. I also used a soft bristle toothbrush for tighter areas. The cleaning solution provided in the kit is highly effective. It effortlessly removed stubborn stains and dirt from my white shoes, restoring them to their original pristine condition. The gentle yet powerful formula ensures that the shoes are cleaned without causing any damage or discoloration. The protection spray included in the kit is a game changer. It forms an invisible shield that guards against future stains and spills, making it much easier to maintain the cleanliness of my white shoes. The Shoe MGK Complete Kit is a great product for keeping my white shoes clean and fresh. The cleaning solution works well to remove dirt and stains, and the brush is gentle yet effective. I especially appreciate the protectant spray, which helps prevent future stains, making shoe maintenance much easier. The deodorizer is a nice touch too, keeping everything smelling fresh. Number 1. Reshoevn8r Essential Kit. Keep your favorite sneakers looking their best with this complete cleaning kit. It's got everything you need for a deep clean and lasting protection. This 4-ounce cleaning solution is tough on dirt and grime, yet gentle on your shoes' delicate materials. It's specially formulated for all types of sneakers. 3 different brushes tackle every surface and crevice. Get into those hard-to-reach spots for a truly thorough clean. The included microfiber towel is perfect for buffing and polishing your shoes to a sparkling finish. It leaves them looking brand new. It doesn't matter if your shoes are made of leather, suede, canvas, mesh, knit, or nubuck, it cleans them all. This kit is truly versatile. With this essential kit, maintaining your sneakers is easier than ever. Get yours today and keep your shoes looking fresh. What we like. It's a specialized white sneaker cleaner with multiple brushes and a microfiber towel. If you're focused on keeping your white sneakers pristine, this kit is your ideal solution. The inclusion of various brushes and a towel makes it perfect for detailed cleaning and achieving a spotless finish. What people say. From the first use, Reshoevn8r blew me away. Those stubborn stains and grime that I thought were there for good? Gone in seconds. The formula digs deep into every fabric, leather, or mesh, lifting away dirt without harming the material. The 3 brushes are all quality and a one-time buy that you can use for years down the line, microfiber towel as well. I used this cleaner on canvas, leather, and suede Nikes. The shoes were several SB lows, Jordan 4 Military Blues 2024, and Air Max 90s. I have to say that even though this cleaner isn't necessarily marketed as a suede cleaner, it works extremely well on suede. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.